What's up? Welcome back to another drop shipping informational video. Today I'm going to be talking about what to do when you place so many drop shipping orders on Walmart and they cancel every single one of them, like how you see here. Every single order that I placed has been canceled. Alright, so the best way to handle this problem is to create another Walmart account and get that account tax exempted. From what I've read online, whenever I ran into this problem, was that if you used Walmart Plus to ship out your drop shipping orders, your account most likely got flagged for supposedly stolen credit card. At least that's what the messages that I got from the reasoning of why all my orders kept getting canceled. You could contact customer service and say that you're making all of these orders for gifts, but personally I don't recommend contacting customer service because most of the time they'll just tell you that they fixed it and that you need to wait a few hours to place another order. And then sometimes if you do wait, one order will go through, but then the next will most likely get canceled again. And you're just going to keep going and keep repeating the cycle of trying to unflag your Walmart account and contacting customer service. And they're just going to say the same thing over and over. And you're just going to be getting mad for no reason. Alright, so here's what to do. First, you need to download CC Cleaner onto your computer and delete all of your browser cookies. And then once you do that, you need to buy a VPN. I chose NordVPN. I'm not sponsored by this, but any reputable VPN should work. And then what you need to do now is you need to run CC Cleaner and delete your browser cookies for whatever browser you use, which is Internet Explorer, Chrome, or if you're weird, you use Firefox and Safari. But once you do that, connect your VPN and open your preferred browser in incognito or private. And then you need to create a new email and Walmart account. And that is basically it. Once you got everything like created, you can start fulfilling orders like normal. And if you were tax exempted on your old account, you don't have to worry because when you'll still be able to apply for tax exempt with the same information you did for the last Walmart account that got flagged. If you don't know how to get tax exempted from Walmart, check out my other video on the steps on how to get tax exempted from Walmart. I'll have it linked at the end of this video. Alright, and that's basically it for this video. After you get your account set up and stuff, you can just keep doing business as usual. So I recommend having multiple accounts on standby in case this new one gets flagged so that you can keep running things smoothly. If you got any value from this video or it helped you out a lot, do me a favor and like the video and consider subscribing for more information about dropshipping and e-commerce stuff.